Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I am going to work on the proctl project and this will be the next part of it. So what I will do, I will basically first of all do two things in this video. So the first thing that I will do, I will generate a token and that will be the JWT token, and with the help of that token I can log in successfully, and I will show you how you can log in with the help of JWT token. And I will store that token into the Redis database, and I will show you in this video how you can store there. And I will also store the credentials like email and password of the sign up user, so that the login user can understand if a person wants to log in after sign up, then that login functionality will easily identify that user. Alright, so let's go to the Visual Studio Code. As you can see that I'm currently present in the signup.go file, and in this file what I will do, first of all I will create a directory, another directory by the name of JWT, and inside this directory I will create a file by the name of JWT.go file. And basically if I go to the browser, and I will show you, as you can see that this is the website jwt.io, you can visit it, and these are the debugger, libraries, introduction, etc. that you can read it. And what I will do is basically JSON web tokens. So JWT is a JSON web tokens that are an open and industry standards method for representing claims securely between two parties. So what this token does, it will basically generate this kind of token, and this token will be represented, and this, if you decode this token, it will give you the data like this. So first will be the header, the second will be the payload that will basically contain the data, and these are the signatures. All right, so these data will be represented with the help of these tokens. So what this token will does, if you try to log in, then the user will understand that this user has already signed up, so this user should be given access to this. All right, so I will generate this token and I will store the data in the Redis, so that Redis data will be called, or the Redis database will give this token to the login functionality, and the login functionality will easily understand that what is the token and what this data does. All right, so I will show you in this video. So first of all, you need to keep this in mind that you need to use the JWT token. It's secure, and you mostly use it in the sign up and login functionality. So after that, what I will do, I will write package JWT, and inside this package, what I will do, I will write a function by the name of generate JWT, and after that I will return two values that will by the name of string and boolean. These will be the two values that I will be returning. And what I will do, I will first of all give the expiration time, and this would be time now, add, and inside it I will write 5 time minute. Sorry. So basically this expiration time will say that if the token is generated, then it will take 5 minutes, and then after that the new token will be generated. Alright, so in this way the process will not be the same, or the token will not be the same for all the time. Instead, after every 5 minutes, you can change the time also, 2 minutes, 3 minutes if you want to, but after every 5 minutes the token will be replaced with a new one. Alright, so this will be the expiration time of the token. After that, let's write the claims. Inside it I will write JWT standard claims, and what I will write expires at expiration time Unix. Alright, so the Unix is a standard. With the help of this Unix, as you can see that Unix returns T as a Unix time, so it's a kind of time that will basically be, if you take a look at the website, let me show you this so that you can properly understand it. Open this. Alright, so basically Unix returns T as a Unix time, the number of seconds elapsed since January. So this will be the timing of it. From this this will be the number of seconds elapsed since January. Alright, so from this data from 1970, the timing will be started as a Unix time. The result does not depend on the location associated with T, and a Unix-like operating system often record time as 32-bit counts of seconds. So this is some kind of time that will be the Unix time, and with the help of this the time will be generated, and that time will be after that time, if the 5 seconds are passed, sorry, 5 minutes are passed, then this token will be expired, and as a result a new token will be generated. Alright, so this is a time functionality. Unix returns t as a time, the number of seconds elapsed since January. So if you want to read it further, like what is Unix time? What is Unix time? Alright, so it will show you this. You can read it also from here. Alright, so with the help of this, if you Google it, you will find many data, and you can also read it. And if you want to understand it, you can read it. But I'm not going to make it understandable for you in this video, because I want to make this video short. So what I will do after this claim, or after this expiration period, what I will do, I will write the byte env, and inside it I will write what you can say byte. Inside this byte I will write middleware load environment variable and access secret. Alright, so this is basically demanding some kind of key from me, and with the help of that key it will give me access to generate this JWT token, and it will be in a secret state. So I have already written this access secret, and I have given the value of this by using in this env file, but I won't show you. So you just need to remember this will be the key, and after that the value would be different if any kind of value that I will write here. All right, so let's go to this new variable that will be called token, and inside this token what I will write, I will say, let's say JWT new with claims, and inside it I will write JWT signed method HS256, and let's write the claims here also. So what this does, first of all I will install this library that I have not installed it yet. So I will write go get, so it can show me the information about it also. So now it is installed. Now the red underlines are gone from here. So if I click on this, and it will lead me to another website, and this is basically implements the HMS SHA family of signing methods. Signing methods expects key of byte for both signing and validation. So these are some kind of validation methods through which the signing and validation will be done, and currently I'm using this kind of validation. And if I click on this, let's click on this, and basically let me show you the definition, a short definition, so that you can easily understand what is a signing method HFS, like this. What is this method? All right, so from the readme, the EDCA signing method, this one expect DSA for signing and expecting for validation. So this is mainly used for validation. If you have generated some kind of token here, it will be validating, and after that that claim will be passed. All right, so this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. If I go specific instance for HS256 and the company, but it is not showing me the details of it. As a beginner, if you want to scroll it, so let's go another definition, find another thing like this one, or like say this one. Let's click on this. So warning, please be aware that is been maintained by a long time. So basically it is mainly used for validation. If you click on this, let's check it out. I'm using this as a signing method, and I'm getting the error. What is the basically I'm getting the same error in my case. The library will not automatically parse your key from the byte slice. I believe you need to provide a key of the type that will basically be used for validation. So you need to search on, because I don't have a time to search it for you. Basically it is not giving me the, as you can see, here you can see that signing method signature string. I found some kind of data before, but I'm not finding it here clearly. So let's go back. All right, so basically this method is used for validation and signing. If you want to do some kind of validation to the key, then we can use it. And if you want to further find the results and find more about it, you can go to YouTube or go to Google. You can find the data about it. So let's go to the token. Now the token with new claims is done. After that, what I will write token string error. These are the two variables. And what I will write JWT, sorry, what you can say that token dot a token word signed string, and inside this signed string what I will write byte env and the byte env. All right. So this signed string will basically get the complete signed token. So once this token is validated, you can get the complete detail of it by in the form of this byte env. All right. So let's give the error. If the error is not equal to nil, then log fatal error, and let's return that by using token string, and the boolean value would be true. All right. So this is how you will done it. Alright, so now the token is generated. What I will do, I will move to another file and I will not do further things in it. So let's clear this and create a file, not here, but instead I will create a file in the database. First of all, create a directory by the name of Redis. Inside this Redis, I will write a file by the name of set.go. So let me show you what is Redis and how does it work. So Redis, as you can see that this is the website, the open source in-memory data stored by millions of developers as a database. So cache, streaming engine, and a message broker, etc. So you can also store the data in it as a database, and this is also used for it. So it's a minor kind of database that you can use and store the data, like some kind of credentials that will be helpful to log in and sign up. So I will use this database, and what I will do, I will write package Redis, and you can use this database as a cloud or in the local machine also, both. All right. So function Redis connect. All right, and give the returning value like Redis Client. Now let's save this, and you will see that the library is imported, but I won't have installed. So what I will write go get and install that library. As you can see that now the underline is gone from here. All right. So, but it is giving me some kind of error that I have not returned. All right. So I need to write some kind of missing return statement, etc. So I will write it further. What I will do, I will write client is equal to Redis client, and inside this I will write ampersand Redis options. So after that I will write address. So the address could be a cloud address or the local host address. So I will give the local host address currently, so 6379. So after that, let's write the comma and give the password. So the password, if you are using the cloud provider, they will give you a password, but currently it is empty and the DB is 0. All right, so give the comma also here. So now, as you can see that it is giving me an error that I need to return the statement also. So I will write client. So, but here is some kind of error that it is giving me that cannot convert Redis new client. Sorry, I need to write new client. This is how it will work. All right. Now let's go to another part of the function of the Redis, that is basically to create another function by the name like set credentials. Now the Redis is connected. I will create another function by the name of set credentials, and inside this I will write email, password, and they will be string values. And inside it, what I will write first of all client and call the Redis connect function that I have created already. And after that, what I will do, I will write client, what you can say, insert emails, and after the another variable will be error, and after that what you can say that client LPush, sorry, Redis LPush, maybe Redis LPush. If I'm wrong, so let's write client, maybe it will accept LPush. Yes, I was wrong here. So client LPush, and inside it I will write emails and the email that I have written, that I gave it here. Let's press enter on this LPush. So now let's write the result also. Now it will not give me an error. So basically what this LPush means, so LPush will push the data in a list from the start. It means from the what you can say, from the head. All right, and RPush is also used in this way if you want to use it, and RPush will insert the data in a list from the downside, LPush from the upside from the head, and RPush from the tail. And if you want to further take a look at this, I will share a link of this video also, so you can check it out and you can easily understand that LPush and RPush, what is the difference between. So LPush will insert the values from the head, and RPush will insert the values in a list from the tail. All right, so this is the difference between. So I will enter the values from the head. All right, so similarly after that I will write if error is not equal to nil, then print statement, what you can say, insert emails. All right, and after that I will also use the insert, what you can say, insert password also, because these are the two credentials that I'm going to enter. And client LPush, and inside this I will write passwords, that will be password, sorry, and after that I will write result. And what I need to do is to copy this, and instead of emails I will write passwords. Right. So now this is done, and the next step is to and make another function by the name of set token, because I also need to store the token, and that token will be stored in this function. All right, so I will make it for you, and I will write ID and the token string. That token will be the JWT token that I will generate. So let's give it a string value, and after that let's write first of all client Redis connect, and inside this what I will write, let's say JSON, and error is equal to JSON Marshall, and inside this I will write, first of all I will create a structure for it also, because I have not created it. Type new token, and that will be struct. Inside this what I will write, new my token, and that will be string. All right, so this is a structure that I have written it, and I will use this variable here. So new token, inside it my token, and that will be equal to token string. And let's give it an error. If error is not equal to nil, then log fetched error. And after that, if error is equal to, what you can say, so client set, and inside this client set what I will write ID, JSON, and 0, and error. All right, so error. After that, let's write if error is not equal to nil, then log fetched error. So what this set will does, it will basically set the token, and this will be the ID of the token that will be only specific to this token string. All right, so the Marshall will basically, what I have forgotten about it is the Marshall will convert the data of the token into the JSON format. And if I click on this, as you can see, Marshall returns the JSON of encoding of V. So the V is any kind of token or variable that you will give. So this token will be converted to the JSON format, and in the form of JSON format it will be stored, and this ID will be allocated to this token. All right, so with the help of that ID I can call this token. All right, so and in the upcoming video I will show you how you can call it and get the token by using this ID. And then I will also show you how you can unmarshal this, because marshal will be able to convert the data from the simple syntax to the JSON format, and the unmarshal will basically convert the data back to the from the JSON format to the simple ordinary format. All right, so that's it for now. So after that, what I will do, I will call these functionalities in the sign up functionalities in the sign up page. So let's open this, and after that what I will do, I will first of all write if sign up email. I have done it previously. All right, so what I will do, I will first of all create a call this function by first of all writing JWT token, all right, or the token string, or token string, and the JWT generated token. All right, so token. And inside this, I will call the function by the generate JWT that I have previously created in this file. In this file, generate JWT. And what this function will does, first of all, I will give us if statement if JWT token is generated. All right. If JWT token generated, I will write it like this. JWT token is generated. So let's delete this. And if it is generated, then what you can do, then store the values of the token string into the what you can see into the Redis. So we'll write Redis set token, and the token will be login token. All right, this is the ID, this is the what you can see, the token string is the value. So this token string will be identified by the login token that I will be using in the upcoming videos, and I will show you that how with the help of this login token, this login functionality or the login file will identify that. All right, once it is identified, then a user can easily log in. And I will also store the what you can see, the credentials of the login, like the email and password that I have set the functionality of it here in this file. So I will write set credentials, and I will write email and password. So the email should be the sign up email. All right, and the password would be not the original password like 123 or any kind. Instead, the hash password will be saved there. All right, because the database contains the hash password. So similarly, the Redis functionality or the Redis function will also contain this hash password. So these two hash passwords will be matched, and if they are matched, then the user can easily log in. All right, so these are the things that you need to keep in mind. I will not give the ordinary password. I will convert that password into the hash values, and then once it is converted, I can save it, and with the help of this credential, I can log in easily. So I will show you how you can log in the next videos. So these two things are done. That login token is saved, and the credentials are saved in the Redis database, and the token is also generated. And after that, what I will do, I will copy this and save the data here. All right, and write the else statement also, because if let's say the token is not generated or the these data is not stored, then what will be the error message, like the sign up failure. All right, simple message, sign up failure. There, that's it. So I hope you understood. So what I will do, I will first of all write go install and clear this, and I will also show you what is the token string, because if I print this for you and again write go install, and once it is installed, what I will do, I will write, let's say, proctl sign up, and inside after write, I will write E for Bilal Khan @gmail, and password would be 1234. All right, and the full name would be, let's say, Bilal Khan, and if would be Bilal account name. So as you can see that this is the token that is generated, and this token contains the data that will basically be used in the login functionality. All right, so if I will log in, and it will identify that login token, that hey, this token is now already present, and this was generated, and this was stored in the Redis database also. So with the help of this token, I will also use this token, call this here, and it will identify that token. Once it is identified, then the user can log in, and I will also give the credentials to it also, so that a user can identify them. All right, so let's clear this. Now this is done, so let's delete these print statements. So clear this, and after that what you need to do is to search it here, because I have already opened the SQL server here. So let's write select from my sign up. Select all from sign up, and as you can see that this is the password, email password, and the full name, etc. So if I close this, as you can see, the data will be easily available to you, and as you can see it. Alright, so this is how it will done, and I will show you that how you can use these token strings and email password, etc. that I have already stored in the Redis and in the JWT token. So the next step is to write git status, and as you can see that this is the status. These are the files that are modified, and now the sign up functionality is done, because there is not so much things that I need to do. So what I will do, I will merge the changes of the sign up branch to the master branch. So I will write go checkout git checkout master, and let's git checkout master. Your local changes to the following files would be overwritten by the checkout. So let's commit these changes first of all. Git add, and then git commit m, and JWT token and is generated, and Redis token is set. All right, so that's awesome. After that, if I write git status, you will see that the sign up branch is tree clean. So what I will do, I will write git checkout master. All right, so now the master branch contains not these data. So what I will do, I will go to the let's close this, and what I will do, I will write store the let's say git merge. I already know that, but I just want to confirm it. Git merge branch. So what I will do, let's take a look at the commands. Git merge branch, how you can merge multiple branches. So git merge and the emergency fix, this is the branch name. All right, so git checkout, once you are checkout, then you can write the branch name by using git branch. All right, so this is also the command of it, git. So let's write, you can say git merge sign up. All right, so now the sign up branch will be merged into the master branch. So let's press enter on this, and now you can see that all the data that were previously present in the sign up branch are now transferred into the master branch. All right, so git branch, I need to delete this branch because I don't need it. All the data is now present in the master branch. So what I will do, I will go to the git delete branch. So let's write git branch delete, and then the branch name, git branch delete. Let's write the delete hyphen delete, and then the branch name would be sign up, because I don't need it, so I will delete it. So the sign up branch is deleted, and all the data that was present in the sign up branch is now present in the master branch. Git branch, as you can see that I'm currently present in the master branch. So let's write git push origin master. All right, and f. So let's push the data here into the master branch. So let's put f. Let's press this like. So some of the data failed to sum. All right, so git push origin master f. All right, so this time it is doing right. So let's press enter on this, and it is still not loading the data. I don't know why. Hook declined. So basically I have given the X protection rights to this. So what I will do, I will first of all go to this settings, and I will go to the branches. So I deleted this branch, this master branch that I protected it, and I set some rules for it, but now I deleted it by clicking on the delete option. So after that, let's clear this and write git push origin master. So if this time, let's see if it is working or not. It is still giving me an error, I don't know why. Alright, so now this is done. Alright, forced push, so it was done. So let's proctl, and now as you can see that if I click on this and let's refresh this page, and this sign up is still present, but the data that was that is updated in the master branch is now present here. Alright, cmd sign up, it was 10 minutes ago, so it is still present here. If you can see here, this sign up failure, login token. Alright, and let's go back. JWT token, that is a new file that is created here. Alright, so now the branch is not protected, but I will show you in the next video that how you can protect it and what are the rules, because I just gave it a rules without knowing about it, so that's okay. So now the next thing is to delete this branch, whether it will be deleted or not, so I don't know about it, but I will get back to you so that you can understand. I still don't know whether this branch, how you can delete it. So let's delete this. Let's delete it from here, maybe. Alright, so active branch, delete this. Let's proctl, refresh this page, master branch. Alright, only the master branch is present here. Alright, this is how it will work. So these are the things that I was not aware of, so sorry about that, but I hope you learned something from this video, because as a new beginners you may also face these problems. So that's easy to show the data and transfer the data into the GitHub for a senior person, but for beginners like us it is not easy. So I face the problems, and you watch this video and you know that what are the problems that I faced. So if you face these problems also, then you can also tackle these problems. So that's it for now. So I hope you like this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.